Let's talk about the fake accounts, what's going on in Doordash, UberEats, all food companies, what's going on there. Some big
Yeah, we've been
issues.
talking about this, bro. I'm telling you, this is a sad story, people. So I'm going to go real quick. This Venezuelan migrant. In fact, last week, was it last week that Luis was on, right? Yeah.
2 weeks ago
week.
now.
Yeah.
2
A
weeks.
couple of weeks ago? Okay.
Yep.
Luis Berti from Delivery TV. I'm working with him on this. There are millions of fake accounts out there who are taking actually food from the table of actual, honest, working delivery people and gig workers in the country. And Uber Eats and DoorDash are not doing anything about it. There was a 22-year-old nursing student who was killed last week, and the murderer was Jose Antonio Ibarra, who had his checkered history from where he's from Venezuela, from the moment he landed in this country. And he's the suspect. I'm not saying he did it, but he's the suspect. As we know, in this country, innocent until proven guilty. But he got arrested for it last week for the murder of that poor girl. Now, I'm not going to politicize this, talk about immigration and this and that, okay? I have my opinions. I'm sure you all do yourselves. So I'm just going to read this. The illegal immigrant arrested for killing a Georgia nursing student crossed the border in Texas September 8th last year and sent to a processing facility there, but was quickly released before being put on a bus to New York City, where he was later busted and set free again for endangering a 5-year-old, putting a 5-year-old on the back of a moped without a helmet. But that's okay. That's not okay, but it is what it is. Jose Antonio Ibarra and wife of Venezuela entered El Paso together with their 5-year-old. Oh, I guess it was his own son that he endangered. Okay, next screenshot. Ibarra, 26, was working for what, Chris? What is he working for?
DoorDash, Uber Eats, and a local restaurant.
Yeah, how the F, DoorDash? How the F, Uber Eats? Huh? We've been talking about this for a month now. I'm not going to let this one go. This is going to go on and on. I'm going to work with the media. I'm going to work with Luis. This is shit. This poor girl, right? And look, society is messed up as it is, okay? I mean, innocence right here, whole career life ahead of her, right? But that's not the story. The story is, how does this guy get on DoorDash and Uber Eats? Execs? How does that work out?
Mm-hmm.
Huh? Yeah. You need to end this before many more of these happen. This is bullshit. But anyway, yeah, I'm pissed off on this, bro. In August, for endangering the welfare of a child, which was his own child, after he was caught in Queens riding a gas-powered moped with Franco's son on the back. This is his own son, without any head protection and in case, right? The case was later sealed, and this guy was still walking. They let him out again, twice. And then the last screenshot.
That was the only one.
Was it? Okay, so yeah, DoorDash, Uber Eats, New York, Chicago, Florida, full of these immigrants. Barriers to entry easy, fake accounts all over the place. This is bad for the consumer. I mean, what else needs to happen here? You guys need to end this. I know you need somebody to take the trash out for you guys, those $2 no-tip DoorDash orders. This needs to end. This is horrible. Okay? So
for all the people who are asking how they passed the background check, it's because it's a fake account.
It's somebody else's account. Like, you know, you guys get like hacked and somebody steals your ID. They're probably driving on your ID. And it happened to our own Gabe in San Francisco. They stole his ID by the time he went, and they deactivated Gabe, by the way. You know, this was like about a few months ago. Yep. Gabe went to Uber Hub, and Uber Hub told him somebody in San Diego did like 600 deliveries with your name and ID, and somebody in Boston, I think, or whatever it was, they did another 400 trips. Okay, so it's out there. You guys can all go buy yourselves a second, third account. Okay, easily done. So there you go.
Yep.
Yeah.
So big problem. It's an unfortunate thing that's happening, and you know, if there's anything that you're seeing in your particular area, Hit up
Yeah,
Sergio.
Sergio at the RideShareGuy.com.
RideShareGuy.com.
Please email it to me. Email me
All
all
right.
you got.
All right, thanks for watching. That short little clip was from our live stream, Show Me the Money Club with Sergio and myself, Tuesdays, 6 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Pacific. Make sure you subscribe, turn on all notifications so you get notified when we go live, as well as all of our awesome content. Make sure to check out this video right here, which will take you to the entire live stream, or check out this video right there. All right, drive smart, everyone.